Hey guys, welcome to SSP Parts. Today we're going to change 2010 Forester passenger side, right side hood strut, and make sure you always have a piece of wood or something. Today I have my lovely helper over here. His name is Johnny. And the first thing we're going to want to do is take these ones out first and not this because it's a lot more convenient if you take this one out first. Now that we have we're gonna have to take this one out.
You said thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Okay, it's off. Now we're gonna have to go over to SSP Recycling in Rancho Cordova, and we're gonna have to get the part. Now that we got our brand new used right side hood strut for the 2010 Forester, we're going to put it in, and remember, we're going to work backwards, so we're going to put this one in first. Okay, now that that's on there tight, I'm going to put the top part on. Make sure you don't tighten it too tight, and because you will damage the hood and it will cause stress and mayhem in your life, and you'll snap the bolts basically.
Have you done it before?
Yeah, I have done it before, but make sure you're not like me, so don't do that. And that's how you change a passenger side hood strut for 2010 Forester. Thank you. Make sure you leave a comment, ask us some questions on some videos we should do, and subscribe. Thank you.